Should robots replace human workers? With rapid advances in technology, robots and artificial intelligence are now performing tasks once done only by humans. From manufacturing to customer service, automation is becoming more common. But should robots replace human workers entirely? There are clear benefits to using robots. They can work 24/7 without breaks, don't need salaries, and are highly efficient. In dangerous industries like mining or firefighting, robots can protect human lives by handling risky tasks. Robots also don't make emotional decisions and can maintain a consistent level of performance. However, replacing human workers comes with serious drawbacks. One major issue is unemployment. If machines take over too many jobs, millions of people may lose their income and struggle to find new work. This could lead to economic inequality and social unrest. Humans also bring qualities robots can't replicate: creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and ethical decision-making. Many jobs, especially in education, healthcare, and the arts, require empathy and personal connection, which robots currently cannot provide. Instead of fully replacing humans, robots should be used to assist them. Automation can handle repetitive or dangerous tasks, allowing people to focus on areas that require judgment and innovation. Governments and companies must also invest in education and job training to prepare workers for a changing economy. In conclusion, while robots can improve efficiency and safety, they should not completely replace human workers. A balanced approach, where humans and machines work together, will lead to better outcomes for society.